Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. What you are looking at are some Cavendish French fries that I did in the oven. I cooked them in the oven, then I grated some mozzarella cheese and put that under the broiler after the French fries were cooked. And a little Parmesan cheese on there. And then I made some gravy. And I also have a hamburger patty in here that I did in the air fryer. And I just mashed it all up. And I'm going to put that on top. And we're kind of making a dupe of a poutine for dinner tonight. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. And here's what it looks like with everything on it now. Good. Nice comfort food. I ordered a small pizza from, I forget the name of the place. I'll put it on the screen here. And this is my pizza. It just was a small pizza that came with just sauce and cheese. So you had to add on the rest. Like I put pepperoni, hot peppers, bacon, and green olives on there. That was all extra, cost extra too. But oh my gosh, doesn't that look good? And this is from a little pizza place. It's not a Pizza Hut or Pizza or Little Caesars or anything like that. This is a family run place. Awesome. Good. So this is what I'm having today. This is what I'm having today for my lunch. I made myself a cranberry spritzer with ocean spray cranberry juice, 100% cranberry juice, and a little bit of Sprite. And then I put just a little one of these in there. And I have an orange, but I didn't want to cut in it just to put a slice, so I just used that from the Dollar Tree. So I'm having that to drink. I'm having an applesauce for my dessert. And I'm having actually leftovers, a leftover slice of pizza. That was a small pizza that I ordered. You probably will see it before this. So it's got pepperoni, cheese, hot peppers, a little bit of bacon, and green olives on there. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. I hope you're all having a great lunch. Thanks for joining me. Welcome to Late Night Snacking with Mrs. Cotton Candy as your host this evening. And we have this Ruffles KFC Original Recipe Chicken Chips to share with you this evening and give you a review. Buckets of flavor. We're bringing the flavor of KFC's famous original recipe chicken to the iconic ridges of Ruffles potato chips. We're keeping the 11 herbs and spices recipe top secret, but are sharing KFC's iconic taste in this limited time collaboration. Don't miss out. So, my darlings, there's what the chips are. I opened it up and oh my gosh, it smells of chicken, but to me it smells like a Swiss chalet chicken, but it does smell of chicken. And here's what the chips look like. They're really good. So, like I always do, 10 being awesome and 1 not being so great, I rate these Ruffles KFC Original Recipe Chicken Chips. I give these 9 out of 10. Now, if you watch my Dollarama haul, I also picked up the Ruffles Double Crunch Zinger Hot and Spicy Chicken from KFC chips. And it says, turn up the heat. Ruffles and KFC are back with new Ruffles Double Crunch KFC Zinger flavored potato chips. This limited time flavor brings KFC's signature zing heat to the deep cut ridges of Ruffles Double Crunch potato chips to deliver a flavor experience like no other. So, if you saw my Dollarama haul, you would know that I already gave you a rating. I rated this already because I had already tried some. And I gave this a 6 out of 10. And I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. So out of both, this one is the better one. And it's funny because, I mean, I love spicy. But, like, the potato chip is thicker. And it is, I gave it, they have the crunch down. Yes, they do. And they have the zinger down, hot and spicy. But the chicken flavor in that is very, there's a hint. You can't really taste it, whereas in this one, you can taste the chicken. So I will show you the two different chips. So this is the Ruffles KFC Original Recipe Chicken chip, and this is the Ruffles Double Crunch Zinger Hot and Spicy Chicken chip. And don't know if you can see, but this one is a thicker chip, and this is more like your regular kind of chip. So those are the two. So, thank you for joining me on this late night snacking review. Your host, Mrs. Cotton Candy, coming to you live, saying goodbye for now. Hope this helps you out. Like I said, both these bags came from Dollarama, and they're both $3.50 each. So yes, I hope you're able to find them and give them a try. And if I were to buy them again out of the two, I would buy this one again. Yeah. So there you go. So my darlings, I made this barbecue meatball kind of pizza thing for my hubby. It's got his peppers, yellow peppers on there, some pepperoni, the meatballs that I crushed up with the thing from the Dollar Tree, and mozzarella cheese on there. So yeah, hopefully he likes it. So we're going to try out these Crackers Original Baked, Not Fried. I'm making a little salmon dip to put on top of them. So I will show you, and I'm going to do a little review of these crackers. And you get 2 fresh packs in there. And these are from the Dollarama, and they were $1.25. So they come in a package like this, I guess, and you get 2 of these packages. So I'm going to open up and show you what the cracker looks like. To me, on the package, it looks like kind of like a Ritz. I don't know if that's the name brand there. So here they are out of the package. And I have just tried one with nothing on it or anything. And oh my gosh, these are really good. They do have salt. I don't know if you can see the salt there, but they are salted, but they're baked and not fried. And oh my gosh, for $1.25, that's an awesome deal. Like, I like to rate things, 10 being awesome, 1 not being so good. I give these a 10 out of 10. And that's what they look like there. And so stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a quick little appetizer out of them. Just quick, here's the salmon that I just cooked in my air fryer, and I'm going to cut it up, and I'm making a little salmon dip. And that's just some sour cream cheese, lemon juice, ground pepper, a little bit of Red Lobster seasoning. So yeah, so I mean, I've never made salmon dip before, but I'm just going about it my own way here. Of course, if I had fresh dill, I'd be chopping that and putting it in, but I didn't have any fresh dill, so I just used some like pickle juice from the pickle jar and put some in there. And I broke up the salmon that I just cooked and put it in. And I also used, I forgot to tell you, there was just a little tiny bit of Dijon mustard, just a little bit in there as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can make this quick little appetizer with these crackers from the Dollarama. So there's the crackers, and then here's what I made them into. A little appetizer, a little salmon dip. feel free to take one and try. There you have it. Definitely buy those crackers again. I really like those. Forgot to share this. We're having a corn on the cob tonight for dinner. I just boiled them up. Some drumsticks. Chicken barbecue drumsticks for dinner tonight. So my darlings, here's my lunch for today. I'm having a glass of milk. For my dessert, I'm having this little Activia raspberry yogurt, and I made myself like a chicken Caesar salad and a little tomato. I know there's no tomato in Caesar salad, but that's a little tomato from our garden that my husband grew. And then I had some drumsticks, chicken drumsticks that I did up in the air fryer the night before, and so that's what the chicken is in the Caesar salad. So that is my lunch for today. Hope you're all doing well and having a great lunch or dinner, whatever you're having. Thanks. Good. So this is the Kellogg's Cinnabon bakery-inspired Cinnarolls cereal, sweet and crunchy, natural and artificial flavor. And here it is here in my bowl. And oh my gosh, my darlings, like I've always said, I like to rate things, and 10 being awesome and 1 not being so good, I would give this a 9 out of 10. And I got this from Dollar Tree, the Canadian Dollar Tree. So way to go, Dollar Tree. It says it's new, but I don't know if that's true or not. But if I go back to the Dollar Tree and they still have some of these, this would be a repurchase for me, another repurchase for me, because it is so good. And I don't have any milk in there yet, but I will. It tastes like if you have the Cinnabons from the Cinnarolls from that place. It's, oh my gosh, it's really good. So there you have it. And tonight, for what's for lunch or dinner, because we're here at the Crackle Barrel. Woohoo! We're having late lunch, let's put it that way. Late lunch dinner at the Crackle Barrel. Come join us. We're at the Crackle Barrel. Cheers. I'm having water with lemon.
Exciting.
What is this?
Chicken.
There's Robert's.
Chicken.
Fried chicken. Southern chicken. And you got this. And these are my apples for my dessert. And then I got the fried shrimp, country fried shrimp, I think it was. Comes with potatoes, and these are hush puppies. And I got the you have to pick 2 sides, so I got the green beans and the apples. And we're at Crackle Barrel.
Alrighty, how's everything?
We got some cornbread and biscuits in there, and come with the butter. Good. That's what we're having for our lunch dinner. So there you have it, folks. That's the end of the Crackle Barrel. We had a great time, and I have to give it a 10 out of 10. It's awesome here. We love the Crackle Barrel. Thank you, Crackle Barrel. Woohoo!
Thank you. It was wonderful, as usual.
We had a great dinner lunch.
Yum, yum.